In this video, we're going to take advantage of some of these smart masks to add a little grunge to the object. So always keep organized, so we'll create our folder, we'll name it grunge, add our fill layer and just name it dirt. We'll change it to a slightly brown color and increase the roughness since dirt isn't all that reflective. Now let's browse over to the smart mask and try one of these. I'm not a big fan of this overly dirty look to the object. Kind of looks like I just discovered smart materials for the first time. So instead, I have to be less obvious with this kind of stuff. I'll just undo and choose Dust Subtle. Again, you can alt-click into the mask just to see what the mask is actually doing. I just want a light dusting on the object here, so this looks pretty good for now. I'm just going to go ahead and grab a dirt brush and just manually paint in some areas to add a little bit more dirt to be more specific. Next, we'll add some scratches over the entire model. Again, I'll add a fill layer, name it Scratches. This time I'll disable all the channels except for roughness and height. I'll add a black mask. Now the cool thing about masks inside of Painter is that they can have their own layer stack. With the mask selected, I'll right click and at the very bottom choose Fill. What this allows us to do is to drag and drop an image in this area here to tile over the mesh. I'll do a search for scratches and drag and drop it into the slot. I'll view the mask and it looks like as if the lines are way too large, so I'll just select the fill and adjust the UV scale up a little bit. Just roll the light around to look at our final result. We can also add just a hint of negative height for depth. As with everything, subtlety is key here. Export this back out to EEVEE and just have a look. Now I'm not too satisfied with the look of the scratch layer, but it's easy for me to tab over to Painter, make a couple adjustments, re-export the textures and just have a look again. At this point, our entire texture stack is pretty much complete. We've gone from base materials to height stamps to decals to lights to subtle work like dust and scratches. Really, from now on, the visual feedback on changes gets less and less as we go. Since we're all set up, it comes down to fine tuning, which we'll do in the next video.